In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best portable smart projectors that you can use to watch movies and play games, even when your friends are over at your house. The key is that they are portable and easy to move around. If you have that in mind for Christmas or for your next birthday and are looking for a very nice return gift, I will walk you through it. Enjoy these top portable projectors and buy one of these.
How to put the laser cinema into your pocket. First, you need a cinematic quality laser projector that is 200% brighter than traditional LED projectors of the same size. Second, it's gotta be thin enough to fit in your pocket to go anywhere you want. Introducing WEMAX Go, the thinnest laser projector in the world. With ALPD laser source and TIDLP technology, WEMAX Go is the brightest projector for its size and the thinnest for its NZ lumens. More than 23,000 laser theater halls around the world apply the ALPD technology to deliver the best visual experience. Looks like a TV? Yes, but it's laser projector with a cinematic color standard and its high NZ lumens. You still can play games even during the daytime with open windows. It feels like you're playing games in Meta Universe. The laser source can last for over 25,000 hours. Looks like a power bank? Yes, but it's laser projector. It is almost the same size as your phone. What's more, WEMAX Go is a power saving. You can watch movies for 4 hours when connected to a power bank only. Think that's all? No, it's also the best appeal to your smartphone. Screen mirroring anything with ease via WEMAX Go. Learn new dance moves. Enjoy a bigger screen viewing experience in your car. Want to check the stock market in real time? Open the WEMAX Go, and you won't miss your chance to make a profit. With free Roku, you have access to 500,000 movies and TV series at ease. Want to watch football games? Easy! What are you waiting for?
Hey Google, show me how to fight aliens on YouTube.
Hey Google, play my dance playlist on my Google Play Music.
weather today?